Alright, so I'm doing a glove review. We're back in Francis Marion National Forest. Gorgeous day out here, blue skies, 95 degrees, sweating a lot. And yeah, so I'm here to review my Merlin Bickford leather gloves. These have been my go-to since day one. I've had these for 2 years now, really the only riding gloves I use because they're just that good. So this is the Merlin Bickford Leather Glove. It's a spring-summer glove brought to you by Merlin, and yeah, you guessed it, it's summer. It's freaking hot out, it's 95 degrees. Just to kind of get it out of the way, this is your classic black glove. I mean, it's just got some solid aesthetic and branding, but doesn't offer those kind of luxurious amenities such as waterproofing. In my eyes, not that big of a trade-off. I mean, I'm personally not jumping out of my chair to do some riding out in the rain, but that's just me. So yeah, this glove is therefore an easy slip-on classic black glove with some stunning details to really set it apart. I mean, for example, the red leather insert, it's kind of very classic. I like the styling of it. Riders will have a cuff adjustment, by the way, with a Merlin antique button, snap stud, and the glove has a pre-curved fit with a cantilever action for improved movement on the grips. And it's got some pretty solid punched out ventilation points that you get some solid airflow through the front and back. Ideal for summer, not really ideal for winter, but we'll get to that. Gloves are pre-curved, have this ergonomic fit in the fingers. It makes it super easy to hold on to the handlebar, to slip on, feels super comfortable in the hand, and the cuff adjustment gives you a really quality glove that makes the glove fit your hand really well. I've got a size large, and although it feels like a slight tight squeeze getting into the gloves, they feel perfect while riding. There's even some stretch in the fingers, giving some extra maneuverability, which is another nice touch. Like I said before, this glove is meant to be more of a summer or spring glove. I would almost even say fall too, though if you're located in the colder climates, I would avoid wearing it in the fall. The ventilation provided by the punch holes does just that, ventilate. And if you're wearing it in the cold weather, forget it. Your hands are going to be frozen in about 10 minutes. As with Merlin goes, you get some quality vintage branding with the Merlin branded snap at the cuff. The red insert provides another nice accent on the gloves, which brings together the aesthetic that Merlin is going for here. I really like it. I originally bought this glove when I was riding my 1963 Ducati Bronco, so I was definitely looking for a glove to match the vintage vibe. The lining feels really nice. As you can tell, there's padding on the knuckles, fingers, and palm. The reinforcement on the gloves feels really quality. I haven't personally crashed badly enough to need to test these gloves, but I feel confident they would provide some good protection. Wearing a glove is, of course, better than no glove regardless. Merlin notes that they have this touch of anthracite reflective. Apparently offers a slight reflective element without shouting reflective. I mean, I suppose sure, but I've never really noticed this. Although I'm not the one looking at the gloves while riding. Maybe with some bright headlights at night, they give a slight sheen back. I'd have to do more research on that. So what's the breakdown? The Merlin Bickford glove is a vintage looking leather summer glove with some quality attention to detail. The premium leather is fully perforated, making the Bickford an ideal summer riding glove, which is what I mostly use it for. Pre-curved fingers offer an excellent fit and feel for your controls, and the red gusset insert is solid. The embossed Merlin branded snap button are nice accents on an already solid vintage glove. As usual with Merlin gear, you get a hell of a lot of value for money spent with the Bickford glove. At that, I'll say I'm going to keep buying Merlin products because I love their company. I love their style, and you know, they haven't let me down since. So with that, I'm gonna get some riding in with these gloves, hit up some more trails here on the dirt roads of Francis Marion National Forest, and put on another couple miles on these bad boys. Catch you on the next one. Catch y'all.